Let's take a quick look at our ThinkCentral Lesson 4.3. All right, problem number 1, we're going to be using place value section model to solve this multiplication problem. Unpacking the problem and drawing the model. You can see it right here. They've got the place value section. They've got the tens and the ones and the tens and the ones. They used the distributive property to get that information. They multiplied the tens by tens to get 2,400. Tens times ones, ones times tens, and one times ones. So we take all those numbers and we add them up. And you can see that I get 2,720 plus 272, getting the partial product for each row. And adding those together gets me 2,992. I believe that is correct, but I would check it with a calculator. And the products are added to get the total area. All right, problem number 2. Basically, it's just looking at the different forms of multiplying. There's 3 different ways. You got the expanded notation method here at the top, and there's 2 parts to it. They're saying part A, you're saying 45 times 96, but that's the same as 40 plus 5 plus 90 plus 6 multiplied by each other, and they do each separate part here. There's 4 parts, and over here that shows you the shortcut method, what they do there if you were going to do that. And then the same method here is the place value section, so it's matching up the 4 different parts. So both methods show the same 4 partial products because there's 4 partial products for each. And for the place value section method, the partial products are each of these boxes here, and that's an area model. So the answer here is area. All right, finally they give us a sample problem to try. 53 cattle cars on a train going to Detroit, and each car holds 47 cows. So how many cows are on the entire train? If you were going to do that, you could just draw a big train like that. There would be, 53 cars like that, and each car would have 47 cows on it. You could even draw a cow if you wanted to. I'm not sure this looks like a cow, but pretend it's a cow. So setting up the place value section model, I've already labeled it, and you use the distributive property to break apart the 53 and the 47, and you can see I've done that here. Multiply section by section, you end up with 20 as your leading digits and pop on 2 zeros, 12 as your leading digits and pop on a 0, 120, 7 times 5 is 35, and you add a 0 to that, and 7 times 3 is 21. So we add up all of these together to add up all the partial products to get the total product. And it's 2,491, and you check with a calculator, but I'll just use Alexa. Alexa, what is 53 times 47?
53 times 47 is 2,491.
All right, so I got that correct. Just to recap, make sure you're using the step-by-step review example on these. Do a lot of practice and find your favorite multiplication method, and you should be all good.